Sunny.
Sunny.
It's a sunny day, perfect for a picnic.
The garden looks vibrant under the sunny weather.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Rainy.
Rainy.
We stayed indoors on the rainy afternoon.
Don't forget your umbrella on this rainy day.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
The sky was cloudy before the storm began.
It looks cloudy, it might rain soon.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Windy.
Windy.
It was too windy to go sailing.
The windy conditions knocked over the chairs.
Windy.
Windy.
Snowy.
Snowy.
The mountains are snowy during winter.
We built a snowman on the snowy day.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Thunder.
Thunder.
The loud thunder scared the children.
We heard thunder before the heavy rain started.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Lightning.
Lightning.
The lightning lit up the entire sky.
Stay indoors during a lightning storm.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Hot.
Hot.
It's too hot to stay outside for long.
They turned on the air conditioning during the hot afternoon.
Hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Cold.
The cold wind made it hard to walk outside.
I wore a thick coat on the cold morning.
Cold.
Cold.
Warm.
Warm.
The warm weather is ideal for hiking.
We enjoyed a warm breeze at the beach.
Warm.
Warm.
Cool.
Cool.
The cool evening breeze was refreshing.
It's cool outside, you might need a light jacket.
Cool.
Cool.
Stormy.
Stormy.
The stormy sea made sailing dangerous.
The stormy weather caused power outages.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
It was too foggy to drive safely.
The foggy morning made the park look mysterious.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Hail.
Hail.
The hail damaged the car's roof.
Hail can be dangerous during severe storms.
Hail.
Hail.
Frost.
Frost.
There was frost on the car windows this morning.
Frost covered the grass in the early hours.
Frost.
Frost.
Mist.
Mist.
The mist over the lake looked beautiful.
She disappeared into the morning mist.
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 Humid.
Humid.
The humid weather made it hard to stay cool.
Tropical climates are often very humid.
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 Dry.
Dry.
The dry season lasts from June to September.
It's a dry day, perfect for hanging laundry outside.
Dry.
Dry.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
It was drizzling when I walked to work.
A light drizzle made the streets slippery.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Breezy.
Breezy.
It was a breezy afternoon by the shore.
The breezy conditions were perfect for kite flying.
Breezy.
Breezy.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
We were stuck indoors during the blizzard.
The blizzard caused road closures across the city.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Mild.
Mild.
The winter this year was surprisingly mild.
Spring usually brings mild and pleasant weather.
Mild.
Mild.
Heatwave.
Heatwave.
The heatwave caused temperatures to soar above 40 degrees Celsius.
The city issued warnings during the heat wave.
Heatwave.
Heat wave.
Chilly.
Chilly.
It was chilly, so I wore a scarf.
The chilly wind made the evening walk unpleasant.
Chilly.
Chilly.
Gale.
Gale.
The gale force winds uprooted trees.
Fishermen were warned of a gale approaching the coast.
Gale.
Gale.
Showers.
Showers.
We experienced light showers in the afternoon.
Showers are common during springtime.
Showers.
Showers.
Muggy.
Muggy.
It felt muggy before the rain started.
The muggy air made everyone feel sticky.
Muggy.
Muggy.
Overcast.
Overcast.
The overcast sky hinted at a possible rainstorm.
It remained overcast all morning but didn't rain.
Overcast.
Overcast.
Sleet.
Sleet.
Sleet made the road slippery and dangerous.
We saw sleet during our trip to the mountains.
Sleet.
Sleet.
Downpour.
Downpour.
We were caught in a sudden downpour on our way home.
The downpour lasted for almost an hour.
Downpour.
Downpour.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
A rainbow appeared after the rain stopped.
The children were excited to see a double rainbow.
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 Freezing.
Freezing.
It was freezing outside, so I stayed indoors.
The freezing temperature turned water into ice.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
The forecast predicts clear skies tomorrow.
We stargazed under a clear sky.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
Icy.
Icy.
The icy roads were dangerous for driving.
I wore gloves to protect my hands from the icy wind.
Icy.
Icy.